Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sherice. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this turquoise acrylic set. I want to start by saying sorry for the angle. Like, I'm really trying to figure out which angle will work. And also, I am an up-and-coming nail tech, so I am trying to learn how to perfect the craft. So right now in this clip, I am applying I'm playing a clear acrylic on the nail bed before I do the designs. As you can see right now, I'm picking up a medium bead and placing it on the tip of my nail bed. So this is me creating my ombre. And right now I'm going to be doing the same for my thumb, because on my ring and my thumb I'm going to be doing ombres. I'm going to be listing the products that I have in this video in the description box below, so just look and you will see every product that I have. And I'm also going to be having a haul with some of these products, so watch out for my haul. That's going to be showing you everything that I got so far. So right now I'm using the Mia Secret Cover Nude and placing it on the middle of my nail bed to create a perfect ombre. I use a medium-sized bead, so it would be like perfect, and I'm really patting it softly so it could blend in seamlessly. So that's the tip that I have. Like, instead of packing it on and keep mixing back and forth with the colors, place the top color first and then you blend softly until it becomes like seamless. So right now I'm encapsulating my ombre, and if you don't know, you should encapsulate your ombre, because if you don't and you shave it down, you're going to lose the effect, and that's going to be pointless. So after you do your ombre, you should encapsulate your nails. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. And the reason why you should encapsulate your ombre is because if you use your e-filer or your nail filer and you start shaving it down, you're going to lose the effect. So encapsulate your ombres. So right now I'm just going to be trying to do the marble look. I really am trying to work on it. I don't know if I should get like a different white, but I'm really trying to like work on marbling. Like, I keep trying, and for some reason it's just not working for me. But I got I forgot which polish, Valentino white, but it's really giving me like a creamy white, so I don't know what I could use, but I'm trying. So after I finish like marbling the nail, I'm going to place gold flakes on the nails, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to encapsulate it with clear acrylic. So on my pinky and my pointer finger, I'm going to be doing like a white to clear tip ombre. I didn't show you guys how I do it on my pointer finger. I'm sorry about that, but in the next clip after this, you're going to be seeing me putting gold flakes on my pointer finger. So what I advise you guys to do is pick, when it comes to your pinky, place tiny beads and then press up lightly. You don't want to bring the white acrylic powder all the way up to the end of your nail because it's going to defeat the purpose. So just start off with the end of your nail bed and push lightly to the tip of your nail bed. When you're doing your pointer finger, use a medium-sized bead and then push up lightly so you can get your look. And after you do this, all you gotta do is encapsulate the nail with clear acrylic. After I finish encapsulating the nail, I use my 100 nail filer just to perfect the shape and make it look beautiful. And then I'm gonna use my e-filer just to make the nail bed and the cuticle seamless. So I'm basically sealing the tips and making it like be seamless and kind of fix all the imperfection using my e-filer. Right to left, just perfecting the nail bed and the cuticle and making it be seamless. I know it's very speed up, but that's what you should just like go around the nail bed just to seal your cuticles. So I'm starting from right to left, sealing my cuticles. So now I'm going to be applying a gel nail polish on my tips, and this is no wipe, so it's just I just have to place the foundation and then put the clear coat over, and after that I put in the UV light and I'm done with the look. So let me guys what you think about the look. Tell me what I should do to like perfect and make everything look better, and also I'm sorry about the angle.